I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your employee discount online at Foot Locker. First, you'll need to access the dedicated employee portal or the specific website provided for discount access. Once there, locate your unique employee discount code or the special link that applies your savings. It's crucial to ensure your employee identification is correctly linked to your Foot Locker online account before proceeding, as this verifies your eligibility for the exclusive savings. Once your cart is full of your favorite gear, head over to the checkout page. Look for the promo code or discount code box, which is usually found near the payment information. Carefully enter your unique employee discount code into this field. After applying, double-check your order summary to confirm that the discount, often a significant percentage like 20 or 30% off, has been correctly deducted from your total purchase amount before finalizing your order. It's important to be aware of a few key guidelines. Some discounts might have restrictions on certain premium brands or newly released items. Always check for any expiration dates associated with your specific code, as they are not always permanent. Also, remember that employee discounts typically cannot be combined with other ongoing promotions or sales. If you face any issues like a code not working, reach out to your internal employee support for quick assistance. To truly maximize your savings, consider planning your purchases around new product releases or when you need to replace essential items. Using your discount on higher-priced items, such as performance sneakers or full athletic outfits, can lead to substantial savings. Remember, this benefit is a fantastic perk of being a Foot Locker team member, offering you exclusive access to great deals. Enjoy your shopping and the excellent value your employee discount provides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.